Good morning, guys. Bitcoin to go on a 30+% run here in the month of May. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to back it up with some actually realistic proof here, not just some fairy tale analysis, okay? Let's go over the emotional index today. Long versus short trades. Guys, don't miss that. Oh, so bullish on the long and shorts. Market cap strength. Trades in favor, guys. Wells institutions, what are they doing? Support and resistance prices. Dollar cost average entries, death cross, and then we're going to end the day today with a trade setup to show you guys how to get into our trading strategy. Guys, we are 122 wins. Yes, it's been a while since we've won a trade since 122, but guys, we also have one of, if not the healthiest crypto account because of the risk management that we use. 150,000 is break even. We're at 122,000. We've been trading this since last year in March. Look at what's happened since March with the bull run and the bear market. Most accounts are still down 55 to 60% in their account. Okay, I think we're down less than 15% right now this morning. Let's dive in, guys. Ready to go? All right. Here is what everybody is watching this morning, or at least I hope you guys are watching. If you've got money in crypto or in Bitcoin, you are all watching this trend line right here. Everybody's looking at this, and it's the price of right about, I would say, $40,000 that everybody's looking. Are we going to push to 40,000? Here is why 40,000 is so important. It's the one thing you have to remember this entire week for a bull breakout. If 40,000 is hit, this will officially give us a break above descending resistance. This is where we can start getting extremely bullish, because what's the other, let's say, trend line that everybody is most likely watching, and I'm going to show you guys on this morning's video. It is this guy right here. We have what's called a 1-2 touch, creating a line which gives us what's called a target price. The target price on this sits way up here for the next move of this ascending channel. This is the ascending resistance, ascending support. This is an ascending channel here. Now, what is the target price of this if we start moving up here? And we'll go over more of metrics to kind of give us a better idea here. But I'm thinking over here about 31 to 32% is what we could be seeing. How fast could this happen? Let's go over that now. Let's go realistic. Okay, let's take a look at how fast the market has moved up in this ascending channel before. 18 days, 38%. Let's take a look at another prediction over here. Look at this right here, and I want to show us this. It took a little bit longer. We're looking at about 32 days for about 40%, 39.90%. The average between this, I would say we're looking at probably, I'm going to just go right here and just move this up to the top point here. I'm thinking within about a realistic, about 15 days, we could do this again. I'm predicting that if this bull market takes over and we do start running into this bull market cycle here, we're looking at about a 32% pump within the month of May, before the end of May. Why? Because if you take 15 days plus May 4th, that puts us at the 19th. Plenty of time. 12 more days after the 19th to give us 11 more days after the 19th. There's 31 days in May that we could actually technically go for in May, which would put us out here. Okay, this is why I do think the market is going to start looking pretty bullish now. Now, let me show you guys some more proof of this before we just say that's what's going to happen. Let me give you proof of what big money's doing. Follow me down here. Come over here. The pink line is price. The well money flow is in green. Take off price just for 1 second with me, guys, this morning. Here's what I'm looking at. Right now, we're going to have a tug of war. There's going to be a battle right at 40,000, and that's going to be what you guys need to watch. You guys are waiting for movies to come out, and it's funny. I'm looking at movies. They're like, do you guys ever see this? They push all the good movies into like the second half of the year and like during fourth quarter where Christmas is. I don't get it. Anyways, here's the movie that we can all be watching right now on Bitcoin. 40,000. Well, money flow here. It has been very consistent here, and it hasn't seen a lot of action. What you guys need to be watching for is does this break to the downside, or does this break to the upside? Here's what that's going to mean. If this breaks to the downside, guys, it means wells are going to be selling into the market, but then once it gets back down here to lower prices here, you need to be watching for the reversal back up. So what I'm watching for here is actually a fake out in the market to the downside. So you guys might be like, oh, this is such a bullish analysis and the market went down. If it goes down, you should be even more excited. Here's why, because it's going to trap short traders. Those people looking to short right now because they think the market's going to go down, if the market goes down, let it go in their favor. Because if it does, they're going to be getting excited that they're in the profit. And then when this thing starts heading back up here and we do break 40,000, because we're going to break 40,000, it's going to trap all of those short traders and they're going to be forced to go long. Okay, look at the trend exhaustion over here now. This has been in the bottom section for a while. We have plenty of room to move up here. The whale money flow has plenty of room. Look at where we've been in the past, guys. Like this has plenty of room to head up here. These are bullish signs in the market, guys. These are bullish signs. Please watch this. Now, as you guys have money in the market, where's the next place I'm looking for a drop? It's when trend exhaustion hits the top red section right here and whale money flow is high. That is where you guys need to be watching for the drops back down in crypto. When trend exhaustion is high and whale money flow is high here, you may see it starting to pump up, but watch for the move back down. When you see trend exhaustion high, whale money flow higher, watch for the move down, guys. Or for those of you guys shorting, watch for the short position back down. Again, right when we hit the top red section, as long as whale money flow is moving up here, watch for these drops back down in the market. I'm just circling a few here so you guys can see this. Do not trade anymore without these indicators, guys. I'm serious. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers. This is where you guys need to be watching this. Right here, we're seeing a little bit of a consolidation period and move up, and this is where we saw this linked up. So here's just one quick masterclass. Give me 10 seconds and we'll move on and we'll show you guys what whales are doing. When trend exhaustion is high and whale money flow is high as well, that is a double confirmation you're looking for drops. There's a reason why this didn't head down as much. Why? Because whale money flow wasn't as high. When you see this start syncing up, when trend exhaustion is really high and whale money flow high, the money flow with the actual structures of crypto being high, this is where you guys need to watch for the drops back down. Look at this. Whale money flow low, trend exhaustion low. That's where you watch for the move up. I'm taking a little bit more time to show you this because you need to see this because this is what we're about to move into. It's either going to be a move back down and it's going to scare a lot of people, but that's going to be where the pump's going to come, is when this is hitting a low again. And if this guy right here, the whale money flow is low and trend exhaustion is low, guys, that is where you want to get into positions. Okay, I'm passionate about this because we literally have people doing some insane numbers over here that are using these indicators. And this guy over here, real quick, I'm sorry, I'll get to the analysis, but I want to show this to you guys. He's using the indicators and he's like, I've been undefeated in all my trades. I'm making thousands of dollars a month, and just this week alone did $5,000. Okay, this guy over here, literally, you guys have seen this a lot. He did $23,000 with the two indicators I just showed you in 1 week. Okay, unshamefully gonna say this, guys. Our indicator sell is 84% off right now. Snag it in the description. Our prices will never be lower than this, ever. Okay, this will be our Black Friday sale we have coming this year, just to let you guys know, so don't miss that. Okay, back to the analysis. Let's go to the search bar. And let's take a look at this ridiculous long and short trades that are coming out right now. Okay, the emotional index is sitting here and we're in the neutral section this morning. Okay, holding steady. Now, come down here and look at this. Guys, I have not seen, like maybe with the exception of this, the amount of long trades up here is unrelenting. I'm getting emails right now and you guys are asking this, Travis, there's a lot of things coming out. Yes, we have a Fed meeting coming out. Interest rates looking to move up. Guys, they already told us like a month ago that they're going to raise the interest rates 6 times. People know that already. So it's not going to be a shock if they up the interest rates. They literally said 6 more interest rate hikes before the end of the year. And that was on the last one where they did an interest rate hike. Okay? So people know that's coming. Even with all that news, guys, long trades are blowing up over here. This includes whales, this includes institutions, and short trades are moving out. This says no other thing than this. Short trades are like, okay, we had our run and now we're done. We are getting out of the way because everybody is looking at this descending resistance right now in $40,000. Because if $40,000 is broken, it's a break of descending resistance, and that is what everyone's going to be looking at visually, is an ascending resistance target up here of right around this price. I would say about $50,000. The psychological level of $50,000 is most likely where we're going to try to push to next. And that's just not a fairy tale thing. Look at the structures of how long it's taken before this pattern has happened. That's the next place where I believe we're going to start heading. Is it a straight shot up? I don't think it's going to be a straight shot up, guys. I think it's going to get volatile, but that is the next move we're looking at. Or it could. It could just actually head straight up there. Market cap strength. We are seeing over here as prices going down, the market cap is still increasing and holding steady. Just a little bit of a dip off the last 2 days right here, okay? Overall, money is heading into Bitcoin. The Ethereum video I just did, I showed you guys how hundreds of millions are heading into Ethereum as well. Okay, and they're looking for that break, and they actually already got it on Ethereum. Trades in favor. You guys are waking up, you're like, hey, should I take a long trade or a short trade today? Follow this magic little blue line here. This will show you guys when it says good long trade, it says good long trade, good long trade. Guys, when you're getting down to these prices down here, this is where the market has a way higher chance of reversing back up than it does moving back down. You guys want to take good short trades? Literally, like for now on, you need to check this one metric before you place any trades. And I split this up. I was thinking about when we coded this whole thing, should we do just short trades? I'm like, no, we need to give this an aggressiveness in here. This is a great short trade, and this is a good short trade. When you get up here, guys, look what's happened in Bitcoin. It's like we're cheating over here with these metrics. When this says good short trade, look for the drop and look for the drop. Okay, when this comes down here and says great long trade, guys, just look to get some money in. And these were the lows here before we started moving back up here and started getting to this somewhat of a bull market cycle. Okay, such a powerful metric. Well, and institutional smart money, trade with these guys. I'm just telling you guys, just trade with them. You guys are going to come out here and they're going to see that they're going to be buying this. They bought down here very strongly. They bought down here very strongly, right around this area. They have been buying on the dip. Question I get is, Travis, why isn't the market going up immediately when this says that Wells institutions are buying? Guys, Wells and institutions cannot put all their money into the market at one time. I've taught this, and it's just clear. You guys don't sell enough of your crypto to actually make it worth it for the institutions to buy, because they're not going to be able to get their orders filled. What whales have to do is they have to literally incognito-ish place different amounts of orders down on the way here. So literally, I have institutions watching these videos and they have these metrics right now. I'm talking literally like billion-dollar hedge funds. Okay, they're watching this. Seriously, they're looking at this and like, okay, imagine that they're sitting in their rooms right now. Okay, we're looking at this, and World Institutional Smart Money is saying this, looking to acquire here. They know that when this comes out here and their purchase aggressiveness is looking like this, they're like, okay, we should probably put some in here. Like maybe let's dollar cost average in a little bit here, let's dollar cost average in some right here. And what they're doing is they're buying on the dip on the way down. And then as it starts going up here, could we have broken down right here with shorts? Yes, because it's a super strong resistance. And then we start coming up here and it's like, look at the purchase aggressiveness. They're like, okay, guys, sitting around the board meeting, we should probably put some shorts into the market. And then they're making their money back up. Holding down to structure low, both of those trades got into profit, like a ton of profit. So you guys need to understand, this is showing you guys what Wells institutions are doing, but they're not ever going to put all their money in at one time because they cannot. And it has to do with you guys. We as retail traders, I'm with you. We don't have enough collective money for them to put their money all in at one time, okay? Just understand that. This is how you master crypto, guys. Support and resistance prices. The next target I'm looking for is 40,337. Let's just take a look at that. 40,347, right up here. Structure high. The first pit stop, if you will, on this move is going to be right here. It is no doubt $43,000. This is also its structure, but everyone's going to be watching this as well. Majority, I would say people who know their technical analysis will be watching for the 50% retracement on the trend. Exactly at 50% is the 50% retracement of Bitcoin. And that puts us right at $43,000. I want to try to win your trust on these videos, guys. And if you like this, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Every single analysis thumbnail we come out with, we're going to be doing honest analysis. So when you see a prediction, it will actually be backed up by really good statistics and what the whales are doing. So if you guys like that, subscribe, click a like button. It really does mean the world to me. Thank you guys. All right. Dollar cost average entries. Drink some water over here. You guys are looking at this. Great entries here. Great entries here. And why am I saying great entries, guys? Because nobody knows when the market is absolutely going to be heading back up. A lot of people, and I even got the messages of this, a lot of people told me in the end of 2020 that they thought Ethereum was going to double by the end of the year. No way, Jose. That was never going to happen. Okay? It moved back down. Let me correct myself. That sounds really arrogant. Could it have happened? Yes, but the chances of it were extremely low. What people do when they dollar cost average is get money in and get it in on the dips. Okay. Death cross. We have a death cross and a 200 moving average. As we start moving up here, guys, $50,000 is fairly close to where the 200 moving average is going to be because it's going to start moving up here as price moves up. So $50,000, the price will slam into that, and that's where we're looking for the drop back down. Okay, now take a look at this, guys. This is our trade setup for the metrics here. Let me show this to you real quick. All of these metrics you guys can access over here. It's just $95 a month. Literally all the metrics to track what whales are doing, they're yours. All of the entries and exits, because we've never lost a trade, 122 in a row, the entries and exits I will call out for you in Telegram. The master classes are all yours. The community chat are all yours. Community chat is right up here. So you guys can click this and we have like a ton of conversations going there. Super fun. I'm going to go live with you guys on Zoom every single month to do a Q&A session and teach you guys things. Grab this membership. Okay, seriously, grab it. Once you're back over at Bitcoin, this is exactly how we trade, guys, and how we've never lost a trade. So let me show this to you right now. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to keep this in view here. So just watch where we're currently at. This is a very good trade setup that will be extremely hard to lose. Extremely, okay? What you guys are going to see right now, let me see if this is updated. It has not. It's currently 7:27. This is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, just so you guys know. All of our charts every single day, daily, update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's go down here. What you're going to do is choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say you've got $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not licensed in my jurisdiction. Please know this, guys. Consult a financial advisor before doing anything. If you take our trades, you're probably going to lose all your money. Okay, there you go. We've just only won 122 trades in a row. Have the healthiest account we can find. All right. It's kind of weird how we have to word that on here, but watch this. This is how we haven't lost a trade. And those testimonials you guys saw too. Look at this. $1,000 split into 4 equal portions. Now, $250, which is a fourth of 1,000, is going to be placed at each buy limit. You guys can see it very clear right here. We made this very clear. Buy limit 1, buy limit 2, buy limit 3, and buy limit 4. Okay? 25% each of those buy limits. This guy right here, here's an exception. I'll show you guys. If you guys feel like this is going to absolutely blast off and wait for this to update this morning, it's okay if you guys want to go ahead and market order in because we're so low with that 25% right now. You don't have to wait for the first buy limit to get hit. If you want to wait, that's fine. But because we're in this area right now, I'm making this exception where this could just start blasting off real fast and we may not hit this bottom again. Why? Because we've already established a double bottom. So those of you guys taking this trade setup this morning, it is okay. If you're hearing me, I'm not your financial advisor, but if I was personally trading this, I would actually enter in with a market order and then use the updated buy limits here for the other 3 buy limits. Okay, instead of waiting for the first one to get hit. So you have something in the market and you're exposed to this pump up here that could be happening. Once that first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green up here in case the market explodes. Now from here to here, I'm going to be calling out an exit in Telegram for you guys. Okay, because I'll show you guys a trade setup we have on Bitcoin right now, but follow the Telegram channel, sign up on your phone or your computer first, and click this link here. Also, you guys can just simply come up here and click the Telegram link and you guys can have that. Okay. I will be calling that an exit for you guys because for Bitcoin right now, and I'll go over the indicator sell right after this so you guys won't miss that at all. Here's the current trade setup that I've got. I keep everything transparent and everything is also logged in Telegram too. So our break even is at $46,000, guys. As it starts moving back up here and we target up here to the structure high, I'm absolutely going to be taking an exit out here and we're all going to take the money out. Okay, I'm not in Bitcoin, just so you guys know, but a lot of our members are. I trade the other coins because I go for USD and we can make more money on USD or the other altcoins than Bitcoin. Okay, people just know this because the structures are lower and the prices are lower too. So I'm going to be looking to exit there. Okay, last but not least, guys, the indicators. I showed you guys those people making $23,000 and the guy did $5,000 last week and thousands of dollars on a weekly basis. I'm serious, guys. People are crushing it with these indicators. We have a sale going on right now that you do not want to miss. This is the lowest price we will ever have our indicators, okay? The price will not be lower than this again. I will run this sale again for Black Friday and some months coming up at the end of the year. And it will go back down to this, but we will never have our indicators lower than this price. So this literally is the rock bottom of the rock bottom that you guys will get. The indicators will only go up in price from here if we do up the prices, okay? This is the lowest you can get it. Click this link right here. It's in the description. It's in the first comment of this YouTube video. You guys just need to enter save money. I think people love entering coupon codes. I love entering coupon codes as well. So enter save money once you click this, and you guys will get 84% off the bundle pack. The 3 indicators you guys see me using every single day, and in all the analysis in the Telegram channel, it's these 3 right here. You save money, you'll get 40% off. Guys, get the bundle pack because with the bundle pack, you'll get these 3 and these 6 other indicators on top of it. 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before, you guys get those. This is what's called the jackpot indicator. Please, guys, use it responsibly and watch the video to each of these. Yes, it can get you into some ridiculous trades. It actually finds the greatest amount of pressure in the market before things explode. It's like trading it's like NFP, non-farm payroll. It's like trading non-farm payroll for Forex, but in crypto. So if you guys have no idea what that means, you guys can look it up. The first Friday of every month is non-farm payroll, and it's when Forex goes nuts, and you can make a ton of money. That is the same principle pretty much coded into this guy right here. So you guys will get that with the bundle pack. So don't miss that. But guys, get this sale. You guys literally just have, I think it's like 27 days. It's just the month of May that we're doing this. So grab it now because time's running out, just so you guys know. One-time purchase, lifetime access. You get the source codes to actually all of our indicators, which nobody's doing. I do that because here's the deal. If Jesus takes me to heaven someday, guys, I'm not here anymore. I don't want you guys to have to rely on TradingView to give you access to the indicators. I want you to just have what you purchased so you guys can have them for life. Honestly, that's why I do that. Nobody's giving away their source codes to these good of indicators because they want to keep it private. I'm doing that for you guys because I just want you guys to trust me that literally we're here for the long run. And guys, best deal you can ever get on indicators, period. Look at the testimonials. So watching for Bitcoin here to see a pump up here, and we are looking for a potential move. Seriously, guys, the potential move of 32% by the end of May is absolutely realistic based off last bull run, last two bull runs, and that's what we're watching for. Biggest thing to watch is 40,000. If we move back down here, I'll cover positions and I'll show you guys what we're doing as far as analysis and how we're going to manage that in a future video. But guys, double bottoms in. 40,000 break, we're looking for a target of $52,000 to $50,000, and that is the full update, guys. God bless you. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, get the bundle pack of indicators. Best deal on indicators you guys will ever get for crypto. I'm serious. And then the membership as well. That will give you guys insights to what the whales are doing so you guys can spy on them. And then join our community chat, and I'll be giving you guys access to all the Telegram channels. And watch the master classes today. They're super fun, and you guys will learn a ton. Guarantee you guys, I've taught hundreds of million dollar hedge funds, as well as billion-dollar hedge funds, guys. Seriously, they watch these classes. You don't want to miss it. I teach you guys literally the secrets that they'll probably get really mad about, but who cares? Giving away to you guys. I literally just go ahead and cancel the video right now if you want. I want to just make this point. I literally was talking to these guys in the last business, and I was like, you know what? If you keep all the information just for the big guys, you feel good about working with them because it's kind of like, oh, we get to be secretive. But then I had this feeling inside. I'm like, that's so ridiculous. Like, look, let's just even the playing field, and I'll teach you guys what the big boys already know and what I've even taught them to do better. So when you guys look at this, I'll teach you guys about the equator principle. You can't not make more money if you use this, okay? How do you master your thought patterns and emotions? I have a full diagram of what dumb money does and smart money. I guarantee you guys, if you watch this, you'll be like, oh, that's me. And I'll show you exactly how to fix it and what emotion you can change to actually trade with smart money. How do you predict massive pumps before the market actually pumps? This is a huge video you guys need to watch. That will show you guys how to do that. And I don't want to go through all this because I know the video is long, and some people look at the thumbnail and they're like, oh my gosh, it's a 14-minute video. But anyways, guys, how to diversify. Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't learned about diversification, watch that video. Here, how to exit in the profit and secure profits while not missing out on bull runs. And then how to scalp with our indicators. Guys, this absolutely took off. And there's 2 more master classes down here. So guys, God bless you. Have an amazing day. Indicators are in the description. Watch the scalping masterclass. We literally never lost a trade ever on this. Seriously, watch it before you judge it. Okay? You'll see why, and you can tell your friends you haven't lost either. Watch that. Indicators in the description. Metrics are all yours, guys. Snag them. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.